Good looking thunderstorm developing nearby. Wind gust 15. There it is. This is bad news. My God.
Falling out right now.
Anything could happen. Get on! Wow. I'll watch the video later. They dry mop in this. Yeah, peak wind gust 15 so far. If it gets too much stronger than that, then we gotta worry about trees coming down. In the meantime, we just get to watch thunderstorms in the distance. First rumble of thunder. Yeah, go ahead.
Pump is off.
Yeah. Thank you. We got a pretty good rain core. There'll be lightning in it too, so keep your heads up and be safe. Keep away from them hose lines. Now we shut down for half an hour. Little rock and roll thunder show for lightning, and now it's completely sunny again. One lightning bolt by the hose lay and you're all fucked.
Yeah.
They're still standing by the hose lay. Get out of here. Just get well clear of this hose lay. Just get well clear of the hose lay. Yeah. Even that close, it's too close. One solid bolt, that'll jump to you. A little bit more, a couple more mils of rain on the fire is a good thing. Get this one killed and go on to something hotter again. Poplar tree all hollowed right out. It's kind of cool. That's what they do. They burn the inside, smolder. Let's see if I can figure out a way to open this up.
Holy fuck! Woo! Rub it hard, buddy. Rub it hard. There you go. There you go.
Are we almost there?
Oh yeah.
Holy fuck!
We're almost finished, buddy.
Ah!